Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla. We're going to show everybody how to install our newest product. This is a universal fit door sill guard made by Expel. This is for the Model S and the Model X only. For Model 3, we have some custom stuff made, but this is a universal kit that works great. We're priced lower than Amazon, so check around and let's show you how easy this is. We have had this sill protector up here for the plastic area on the Model S and for the Model X, but we've never had anything to protect the paint in the door. So we came up with this idea that high heels, scuffs, shoe marks is only gonna degrade the paint over time. So check out this kit. Now this is all made by Expel, and when you open it up, it's great. It has everything you need in here to do the whole car, which is 60 inches, and a squeegee. So all you need to do is make our water soap solution that we're going to include with the kit, and you'll have this installed in no time. So let's show you how easy it is to install it. So we decided that 60 inches is 5 feet of material. The door sills are much larger in the front. So this is how we decided to divide it up equally so you get great protection where it should be. So in the front, I'm going to cut off 10 inches. And this will be for the back door. Then I'm going to cut another 10 inches off for the other back door, and that will leave us with 40 inches. If we take the remainder of the roll, which is 20 inches on each side, and cut that off, now we're going to have this giant piece left, which is 40 inches long. So all we do is cut it down the middle, and we'll have our last two pieces for the front doors. So if anyone missed that, just rewind it. But we're cutting it into 10 inches, 10 inches, and then two pieces in 20 inches, using all 60 inches up of the roll. Come on, this thing is giving me a rolled up pain. But we're gonna keep on rolling. So that's done. This is done. Let's just flip it inside out. Okay, I've had enough of this. All right, so we're gonna lay it down like this, and this should be 20 inches, 18 to 20, and then we're going to just cut it down the middle. So this is gonna be our front door sill protector for the driver's side. And see how much of this area it's gonna cover? We're gonna put it on here so it covers the whole top surface. And maybe, yeah, I think the whole top surface is the simplest and the easiest for anyone to put on. And again, this is invisible paint protection by 3M. This is Expel Ultimate. Now watch how easy this goes on. Spray your hands, spray the paint. While your fingers are wet, you won't put fingerprints on the back of the material. Then just pull off the Expel. And now we've got this big long piece. Spray it with the soap, back side and front side, and lay it down. Now, with the soap solution, you can position it wherever you want. If you want to go down low, or if you want to go high. If your wife gets in the passenger side and she wears the heels, then maybe you want to put them way up here. Chances are her feet and legs are going to swing across, and that's when they hit this area. Then take the tiny little blue squeegee that Expel has provided, make it wet on top again, and force the water out. So all we're doing is putting pressure on the squeegee, bending it, flexing it, and the water's coming out. Simple. No air bubbles, no water bubbles. And go over it one more time, forcing the water up. You can force it up, dry it across the top, and you can see how this PPF, which is paint protection film made by 3M, Expel, SunTech, this is how it works. It's just simple paint protection. If you notice something underneath, it's really easy to fix this. So I'm kind of glad this happened. I see a little bubble here. I don't know if it's dirt or something. Just lift it up, spray it, put it back down, squeegee the water out after you get your final position, and you're good to go. And that's it. You can take the squeegee and bend it this way. So when we do clear bra installation, we try to get all the water out so there's no air bubbles. And this is how you do it with a squeegee. So we're all the way down, and that's it. Took about 2 minutes, and the whole front sill plate from here to here is completely covered. If anyone steps on there or drags their feet, high heels, shoe marks, you're never going to see it. Invisible paint protection for the Model S and the Model X by Expel, their Doorsill guard, now shipping.